Hello everyone, I hope you guys did amazing out there. So as you can see behind me there, that's a bordie. I'm cooking plantain. Plantain is a fruit from Ghana. I think mostly eastern and western and the east Ashanti region as well. So a few places in Ghana eat a plantain. I'll probably say almost every part of Ghana we consume plantain. Well, guess what I have here? I have our favorites, eggs. Ghana and egg, we love eggs, and it's high in nutrients as well. Look, egg is good for you, you know. Sometimes I consume egg, nothing else, because when I was doing my diet, egg is my go-to guy, you know what I mean? So guys, today I'm eating bordie and stew. The stew is there, you know. I just thought, you know, I'm missing home, so let me just cook some Ghanaian food. This food, you can get this food from almost everywhere. You can get eggs any part of the country, like every supermarket sell eggs. And the plantain, you can get plantain from every part of the country. I got this from Asda, but if you have any department store or any corner shops or any urban shops in your area, just go there, you'll find plantain. Asda is very simple. I think three cost me probably about £4. It's quite expensive. Well, I bought the unripe one because I want bordie, but this one you can actually prepare this one with beans. So the ripe one goes with beans. You can also have it as a kelewele. Kelewele is like one of the dessert in Ghana. It's kind of made with chilies and peanuts, but bordie I'm cooking is just unripe plantain and some stew. Today, instead of having a palava sauce like a spinach stew, I'm going with a normal stew, tomato stew and some egg. Well, I hope you stay tuned. Let me show you guys what I'm going to eat for this afternoon. Stay tuned. Alright, so guys, this is my bordie, this is my plantain. You know, the stew is not on yet, but look, this is my bordie. This is my eggs. Kosiani meko. These eggs, I could actually eat kosiani meko without the bordie, but look, this is my plantain. People call it plantain. This is my plantain. Well guys, let me serve. I'm very hungry. Well guys, bon appetit. Mirung yendidi. You know, this is bordie from Ghana. Look at that. This is very hot, so I need to be very careful. This is one of the easiest Ghana food you could have. Like for example, I could have the same stew with yam or cassava. If you like me to do like yam with a stew or yam with egg stew, please do let me know. I'm happy to have time to create the content for you. Well, my favorite part is having eggs, kusia, aji, we call it newe. Look at that. Oh, look at that baby. Do you mind to share where you're watching from? I really want to know where my viewers are watching from. Is this plantain the best one? I'll probably say the ones from Ghana are quite organic, it's soft, but this one is a little bit hard, but it's still plantain. Plantain can be used for a lot of Ghana food, like fufu, like the one I'm eating now, 𝙁𝙤𝙧, any Kontomire. And for my fellow Ghanaians, if there's any food that they use plantain for, please do let me know in the comment section as well. This is just a quick food. Hopefully, if you want me to do a recipe of preparing this stew, please do let me know. I'm happy to do that. You didn't see that, did you? That's the yolk of the egg. It's my last one. Sorry, your throat is making you walla walla. In my language, obviously, heavy bean top. It's very, very delicious. When you leave the plate, I'm in that food, go kick. Thank you so much for watching. Consider liking, subscribe, and don't forget to share the video on Facebook. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.